March Allotment Roundup. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today is our March Allotment Roundup, where we talk about all the things that we have done this month, whether it's success or whether it's failures. We talk about it and share with you how we're getting on down here. Now, March has been an exciting month, absolutely amazing. A busy month, but we have got so much done down here at the allotment. We've got everything growing in our raised beds down here in the polytunnel, and things are growing absolutely fantastic. As you can see, a sneaky little peek, rather than our allotment weekly tour, you can have a little sneaky peek. Things are growing fantastic, and I'm so happy with the investment that I've done in this polytunnel and how things are growing. It should pay off, and hopefully it will get some great produce down here in the polytunnel, where it's absolutely boiling today. It's like 30 degrees in here, and we're still in March. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're having to obviously keep things watered, but it's growing pretty good, and hopefully we'll get some amazing harvests from it. Now, obviously, we have also sown loads of seeds this month because March is a good time for sowing seeds, but we'll still be waiting for a few to sow in April, like our runner beans, our French beans, our sunflowers. But yeah, there's certain things that you have to start in April, so we'll be starting a lot of those off and getting those growing. We've also planted out all our onion sets for this summer, and they are all looking healthy. We started them off in the cell trays, if you remember, to give them that extra kickstart and get them growing, and they look better than the ones that I planted in winter, so they'll probably produce better onions on them, fingers crossed. So hopefully we get some decent ones from them. We're also getting ready for chipping our potatoes on Good Friday. That's when a lot of gardeners do it, because it's to do with the moon, and that's what I've always stuck with. So yeah, I'll be planting all mine on Good Friday. We've also been planting a load of plants, what we've been getting given. We've planted some hostas, we've planted some gladioli, we've planted a hydrangea, incredible. And yeah, we've been planting absolutely loads of stuff down here, and we've still got loads of stuff to get in and get growing. The strawberries, they're doing absolutely fantastic. I was taking the flowers off for the first couple of weeks as they were producing them, but now I'm going to let them flower and start fruiting, so hopefully we'll be getting produce on them soon. Obviously it'll be earlier because we're in the polytunnel and it's a lot warmer in here. We've set up the drip irrigation system where it waters them for 15 minutes every single day. Like I said, it gets warm and they dry out pretty fast with them being in hanging baskets and in the warmth. So yeah, that is working fantastic. I set that up last week, and I'd not been down to the allotment for 4 days, and they're wet, so that is what we want. We don't want them soaking wet, we just want them damp so that they're getting the water that they need. Obviously when it starts to get hot and towards summer, we'll either put it on for twice a day or put them on for longer to give them a better watering. So that is working perfectly. So if you got an allotment like me and you can't get down every single day, a solar powered drip irrigation system is the key to it. And we'll be setting one of those up for tomato plants and there's cucumber plants when we get growing them in here as well. So yeah, we have done absolutely loads, and like I said, there's still a lot to do in April. We won't be planting outside until it gets past the chance of frost. The only things that you can plant outside are the onions and the potatoes. And remember to heap them up as the shoots pop through to encourage more potatoes and to protect them from the frost, as frost can damage the potato plants. So yeah, we have got lots and lots to do. We're getting on top of things. I'm happy with how things are coming along. All the posts are doing well on social media, so thank you for all the support as usual, the comments, the likes. If I don't always get to the comments, I will do eventually, and I do see most of them as well. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone, and hopefully a fantastic April to come. Until next time everyone, we'll see you all later.